Okay guys, welcome back to my video. Okay, in this video I will show you the tutorial to uh, make configuration for Superlab in week 3, the third Superlab, I guess, like this, the Superlab. In this Superlab there is ISP, so we need NAP. And the different if in this Superlab is that, so let's, I'm sorry, let's take let's look. Okay. Okay, we start. For the first task is configure name in all of router and like before, I guess. So I will start from switch. First enable configuration. I'm sorry. Configuration terminal. Host name is switch 1 and enable secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay. Next router and configuration terminal. Host name is core router. Second router, so router 2 and enable secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, good. No, we continue to here. So I enable configuration terminal. Host name is core router 4 and secret is Cisco. Yes, exit. Okay, next switch here. Enable configuration terminal. Host is switch 2 and enable secret is Cisco. Yes, exit. Okay, next here. So I enable configuration terminal. Host name is switch 3 and secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, next router here. Enable configuration terminal. Host name is core router 3 and secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, next from switch. Enable configuration terminal and I'm sorry, switch 4 and secret is Cisco. Oh, I'm sorry, typo. Secret is Cisco. Okay, exit. And now switch 5 and switch 6 here. Enable configuration terminal. Host name is switch 6 and in a security secret is Cisco. Let's try switch 4. Now in switch 5 enable configuration terminal. Host name first. Host name is switch 5 and secret is Cisco. Okay, I will pause first. Ya. Enggak, kenapa? Lo bakar nggak apa? Iya, kan? Ya, kalau mau pakai sambal kacang biasa aja. Guys, I have done half of my configuration, but I have forgot to start my camera, so for 20 minutes I think I have explained about my configuration. I have and it's not record. It was not record. Okay, I think I just will explain again. Not I will not repeat my configuration. So I think it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I think we start from where? Okay, I think I will start from part 3. And for the first, okay, I will running config, just running config. Enable Cisco and so running config, I guess. Okay, for the first is because the connection is by fast Ethernet 0/0 to here, I guess, because make a VLAN 2, 3, and 4. So for the first, I turn on the fast Ethernet 0/0 first. Okay, no shutdown. And the next is I will make a sub interface. So you just type interface fast Ethernet 0/0 point up to you in a number, but for identification of the VLAN or the ID of VLANs, VLAN ID, so I will make after point is number of ID. So I use 2, but the important is after entering the interface, you must to make or type encapsulation.1q. After that is the number is ID for VLAN, so it's important because I want to make a VLAN 2, so the number is 2 and IP address is like this 192.168.2.1 255.255.255 and 0 and continue. And VLAN 3 and 4 same. I think in the important thing is the number after dotic word, you must use the number that you want used for VLAN ID. Okay, after that I make DHCP because the question asked me for using DHCP thing. So I make a DHCP pool for VLAN 2, the network, and the default router, the DNS server, and all of the VLAN, because for part 3 we need 3 VLAN. So I make these 3 VLAN, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4, and you can see the network and the subnet mask. The default router is the IP of router and the DNS server, and you be using the IP of the DNS server. And after that we make IP DHCP exclude address is for prevent the host or the end device using this IP, I guess, because the IP is have used for router, so I think we must prevent this IP for you from using by end device, I guess. Okay, and that's and continue for the part 4 is I make VLAN 5 until 7. It's same. I make a sub interface in 0 0.0/1, and yeah, it's my my cousin, but it's poo. Yes, it's my cousin, I think. Okay, and that IP DHCP pool and DHCP actual address too, I guess. After that, in switch I make some configuration like and so running config first is entering the interface that's connected with router, that is fast Ethernet 0/1, and fast Ethernet 0/1 we turn on the switchboard trunk allow VLAN is because I will just allow some specific VLAN in this route. So switchboard trunk allow VLAN 2 until 4, and don't forget to turn on the mode of trunk, so switchboard mode trunk. And next is interface fast Ethernet 0/2 until 3, no, just first iterate 0/2. I use the root just access VLAN 2, yeah, yes. And in VLAN first iterate 3 until 4, we use VLAN 3, and the other interface I will use VLAN 4. Okay, and the next switch, it's Cisco, and so running config, I guess, because I have done my configuration. Same, you can turn on. Okay, I think I will close it. Okay, first I turn on the mode of trunk in this switch port and allow some specific VLAN like 5 until 7, and you can after that we can distribute the VLAN by switch port access VLAN, the specific 5, 6, and 7. And don't forget to spanning 3 port first, I guess. Oh, I forget in interface first slash 0/7. Okay, configuration interface F0/7, spanning 3 port first. Exit. Yes, again run. No. Mode access is not, I guess. Okay. Again. Interface F0/7. Spaceport mode access. Okay, exit. Okay, same in here. Sorry guys, I'm tired. I have done explained before, but because not recorded by my camera, so now I must explain again. It's very explain my power. Okay, I will take a rest first. Okay, again, so running config. Okay, same in here. I make in interface, physical interface, I turn on or shut down, and make sub interface for what every VLAN, like VLAN 8, VLAN 9, VLAN 10, VLAN 11, VLAN 12, VLAN 13, and after that I make the HIP pool for VLAN 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and oh yeah, 12. And next is HIP actual address for prevent any device using that IP, I guess. After that, same in here. In here, and Cisco running config. Like same is why so switch port. Oh yes, we make a trunking from here to there, and here trunk, all of trunk, I guess. So just not trunk, and then forget to make VLAN in here too, I guess. Oh, if you want to save VLAN, so interface VLAN, I guess. I'm sorry. Oh no. So VLAN. Oh yes. So VLAN. Make 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I guess. And here is same. Okay, here same. To switch, yes, we make a trunk. Why is model access in here? Oh, there's some mistake I guess here. I think I will enter to interface f0/2 mode access right, and no switch port trunk allow VLAN 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 and spanning tree right, and in interface f0/1 okay, we make switch port mode trunk face trunk allow VLAN 8 9 11 10 11 11 12 and 13. Okay, exit again, do so running config. Okay, VLAN allow access VLAN 12 11 11 13 13 I guess. Okay, it's right. After that we can check in here 11 right, in here 11 13 yeah 12 12 to yeah 13 13, and now here I have make a VLAN. So next is I will for interface range f0/1. I think it's 1. Yes, it's 1 and 10. Okay, 1 and 10 is 0 and 0 10. I'm sorry. Configuration terminal. I'm sorry. Interface range f0/1 0/10 mode trunk allow VLAN 8 9 10 11 12 and 13, and exit interface range f0/203. 203 is here, but because it's VLAN 11, but actually is in this is VLAN 10. I guess it's wrong from the question, I guess. So we use switch mode access VLAN 10 and spanning tree port face. Switch next is 3 and 4 is here. 3 and is 4 until 5. Oh no, 4 until 5. Sorry. The first range 4 until switchboard mode access VLAN is VLAN 8 and spanning 3 port face. Exit, so interface range f0/6 until 7 is use 6 until 5, I think here 6 until 7, so VLAN 10 again. Switch mode access VLAN 10 and spanning 3 port face and exit, and in interface the last is range f0/8 until 9. Switch mode access VLAN is this, so VLAN 9 is okay, and spanning 3 port face. Exit. Okay, good. And next is say, and now configure rapid PSVT in switch 4, 5 and 6. Okay, rapid PSVT. So configure terminal, spanning tree, mode, rapid PSVT, and okay, finish. And here configure terminal, I'm sorry, spanning tree, mode, rapid. Next here, spanning tree, mode, rabbit. Exit. And next is configuration for to become root bridge in all of VLAN. Okay. We go here. Spanning tree, VLAN. 1 and 8 until 13. Sorry, with a space. Root primary. Okay, shit. Okay, finish. Next is point-to-point addressing between routers. Okay, I will start from router this. I think 1.1 is okay. I will try this interface as 1/1. IP address is 10.10.10.10.5.5.2.5.2.5.2. It's right or not? But how we can see is this right or not? It's difficult, I guess, because it's not. I can see. Okay, I will shut down first. Shut down. Okay, and here. I think it's 1/0. I think. Enable Cisco configure terminal interface is 1/0. The address and then 9.10.9. Oh no, shut no. It's mistake. Or okay, we'll try to interface as 1/1. No, shut down. Okay, it's right. Okay, I think so is maybe so I will exit first and interface as 1/0. No IP address and 10.10.9.2.5.2. Exit. So interface as 0 S1 S1. IP address 10.10.10 and 9.2.5.2.5.2. Exit. Okay, I will check the IP is connect. Okay, good. So because it's have up, no, down, 1/0. Okay, interface as 1/0. No, shut down. I will shut down first and no, shut down. Okay, I will check here. s1/0 no shutdown. Okay, right. So IP address is 10.10.2 10.10.2 exit. IP address 10.10 and 1 exit. We'll check first. Okay, good. And interface s1/1 no shutdown. IP address 10.10.10 and 5 5.5.5.2. That's it. Okay, good. In here Cisco interface s1/1 no shutdown. Sorry, no shut. Sorry, mistake. Interface s1/0 no shutdown. Oh yes, right. Yes. IP address is 6 10.10 and 6 so 5.5.5 and 5.5.2 exits. And for interface s1/1 IP address is 13 255.255.252 exit. We'll check connection first. Okay, good. And from here is what's done is 1/0. Okay, exit interface s1/0 no shutdown. IP address 10.10.10 and 14 5.5.5.2. Okay, good. Okay, good. Next is SPF in all of router. Don't forget nih. Interface F0/0 1.2.5.5.5.0 right, and no shutdown. Okay, exit. I will make IP route. Okay, now I'm set. So this is a 3 and 1. Enter. And for SPF router SPF 1 because make one rack ID 1. Before that I will do so IP interface. I'm sorry. Do so interface brief. Okay, and now router SPF1 network is 10.10.10 and 1. I'm sorry, and 0. 255 and I'm sorry. Wheel card, yes, we use wheel card. Area is 0. Again 0, but kick. Okay, and default information originate. Okay, exit this here. Next here I'm sorry, I will pause first. Okay, next. Here do so p interface preface. Okay, router OSPF1 network is okay. For the first is for server, I guess. Oh, the wheel card is wrong, guys. Before. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, we'll correct after this. Oh, I can forget about it, I guess. I will correct it first, I guess. Where's the wheel card is wrong? Router OSPF1. No, I think we'll use this network. No. I guess 0. Again, okay. 3. Okay. Next is here. Okay, for server and for router, I guess 0. 3. Area is 0. Oh, why I not focusing? Network again is 5 so far. Enter. Make this exit. Next is do as IP interface brief. Router SPF1 network is 0. I'm sorry, 0 and 255 area is 0 and again is 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, and next is network 10 and 4. 3 area is 0 and gain is not 4 but 12. Okay, exit. And the last is here. Set do so IP interface brief and router SPF1 network is LAN first. So from 8 0 0 0 0 and 255 area is 0 again is 9 10 11 12 13 and by router 10 and 12 0 0 and 3 area is 0 and 12 is 8 9 10. Yeah, okay, right. Zero. Let's check. Do so IP SPF make born. Okay, next is what? Wait. Then. Oh yeah, right. Okay, after OSPF, DNS and web server now. Okay, DNS server. I will make service and DNS. Okay, on first. Record from agunacourse.com. Course.com. To address is 1 and 3 at again cname www_course. Okay, cname www.agunacourse.com. His name is agunacourse.com. At first name. After name, record again. Let's see. Sorry. Copy. And this. Okay. Address is address of email server, I guess. 4 and again record google.com. google.com. And see name again. www.google.com. Last name is google.com. Okay, finish. And in web server, make http is here is welcome to agunacourse.com. Yes, right. agunacourse.com. Yes. Okay, finish. And next in configure email server. Okay, now make email server email. Okay, for email the domain name is agunacourse.com. User is user1, password is 123 at nag is user2, password is 123 at. Okay, finish. Set up email PC. Okay, PC1. Where is email? Your name is user1. Email address is user1 at agunacourse.com. It's agunacourse.com. Right. Username is user1, password 123. Save. Okay, and monitor is user2 agunacourse.com. User2 at agunacourse.com. Narcos.com exam user 2 1 2 3 save. Okay, we'll check 2 user 1 at gunacourse.com. Subject is like what message. Hi and talk. Okay, server not found. And there's some why this I guess. Email strike on. Oh, what is this? Good. Oh, it's not safe. I forget to narcos.com. Click set. Yes. Okay. Okay, we can try again. Send. Oh, send success. You can see here. Send success. So you can retrieve from PC1. Receive, and you can see here. Hi. Okay, finish. Yeah. Next is configure not dynamic. In here. Okay. IP not dynamic, I guess. So IP no. For first, I will make access list with 1 and permit because all of something any permit all client to access it. Permit any. Okay, so now IP not inside source list want and interface fast internet 0/0 overload and again is static, so maybe not inside source static because web server, so this 1.3 next is global IP, so 1.3.1.1 and 3 and okay, enter. Okay, finish. And next is we must to enter to interface, so interface S1 and IP not inside sit interface S1/0 IP not outside exit and interface F0/0 IP not outside exit. Okay, finish and last is access list here. But before that, I think there's some problem, I guess. I don't know, but in this assignment it's just can 99%, not can be 100%, and I guess I am frustrated. But no problem, so I will make an access list. Access list 102 deny access to IP from VLAN 2 will card is 0/0 and if and um, IP and the destination is 1 and 3 for web server and 4 for email server, and again access list to permit IP any. Okay, so make the interface interface F0/0 AP access group 102 out exit. Okay, so from VLAN 2 can access email server or web server, I guess, but other VLAN or other LAN can access it. Yes. Okay, I think just that for this video, and thank you. Goodbye.